Hi guys.
Hey, good morning. In true spontaneous fashion, we're scrapping what we were meant to be doing. In fact, what we were meant to be doing was some fancy pants glamping site, wasn't it? With friends stroke work colleagues to sort out stuff. Been a bit boggy, isn't it? So it's been cancelled.
We'd probably get stuck. We got stuck there once before, didn't we?
Yeah, not good.
So we don't want to do it again. But
Plan B.
We're going to go and surprise our friends.
Yeah, Dave and Cheryl. Everyone knows Dave because it's Dave's birthday.
Yep.
Laser X Dave makes all that fancy stuff.
What do you call them? Oh, I don't know.
Laser cut wood stuff.
Yeah, like little key rings. They're cool.
So we're off to a classic in Loughborough. What do they call it?
Loughborough?
Oh, Proctor's Park.
Yeah. We're off. We've got our boats. We've got our paddle boards. Just off to get Jess.
Yeah, we're off into deepest Essex now, just to pick up Jess.
Yeah.
And then off to Proctor's. Now you all know, like, we love Proctor's because minimal rules.
Yeah.
Because it's sort of minimal frills. But
That's
you
why I
know,
love
if
it.
you've got a good moral compass, then
yeah, it's just about being respectful. It's nice, isn't it?
yeah. So if you've got a good crowd of friends, and you can launch your boats, sup boards.
Yeah, and you can literally pitch up wherever you want. Look who I've got.
Yay! Jess is on board. Let's go.
Dream team.
Let her in, Blue.
Let me move that bag.
Oh, you're excited.
I'll put that under my legs.
Oh, look at that sky. It looks like The Simpsons. Oh, Andy, what happened to your drone?
Oh, funny you should ask, Jess.
Yeah.
I ended up having to send it back off to DJI. It was so broken. Very quickly they fixed it, Jess, and they are sending it back. We ain't got it for this weekend, but it comes back on Tuesday. Bloody good service, so yeah, thanks for asking.
We're here. We've arrived at Proctor's Park, Loughborough. They don't know we're coming. Do you want to take that? It's filming.
Where is he?
Surprise!
Hello! Hi, all.
Surprise!
Come here, you. Here he is, the birthday boy. Hello, mate. Is it your birthday today? Oh my God! Look at that! Oh my God! There it is. See that Dave drinks rum. You drink a lot of rum, don't you, mate?
You make me out to be an alcoholic.
He drinks a lot of rum. Anyway, I looked this one up. This is a proper top shelf banana peel.
Right.
So it has hints of banoffee pie, toffee, caramel. Anyway, my mouth was watering as I was reading the blurb on it. So I thought, forget the fact it cost me £100 and something. It sounds so lovely. Dave's having that one for your birthday. Happy birthday, mate.
Thank you very much,
Right.
Peter.
Pleasure.
Hey.
Right, open it.
Banana in that.
Oh yeah, you can.
Let me have a smell.
I love a good sniff of them.
Oh, wow. Any good? Morning. Got a sunny start, haven't we? I tell you, today's the day that we've got to get the boats out. I say got to. Everyone else is, so we got to. Got to inflate everything and then get out. So that's going to be cool. Last night was fun by the fire. Oh,
Yeah, it was cool.
Yeah. And we actually got a lay in this morning. I don't think we were actually woke until about 9:45.
We're normally up by about 8, aren't we?
Up with the larks.
Yeah.
So yeah, fueled by a little bit of a lay in.
Just I've been so busy. It was nice to do nothing this morning and not feel guilty.
I noticed you did nothing because I did the washing up, made the coffee, tidied the van, and sorted everything out.
Let's clarify. I made the coffee.
There is, of course, a fundamental problem with getting the boat out today, and that is it's its first outing this year, meaning that it's kind of worked its way to the deeper areas of the garage over the course of the winter as everything else has gone in. It's right at the back there somewhere, so give me a mo, let me put you down. Also carrying an extra passenger means that we've got extra tut that comes with girls. Any Any of you recognise your stickers on there? Might as well keep that out. That's all part of it. One boat. Right, the kit. I won't spend too much time doing the inflating. I think what everyone needs to see is, can I deflate it and pack it away again? Have I learnt my lesson? Soon find out. Hold up, look, there's evidence that Lindsay's actually doing something. It might only be adding water to a pot noodle, but she's actually making me lunch.
So if you feel like giving up today, just know that
Right, let's get this sorted. 1, 2, 3.
tomorrow will be a
Hey, well
brand
done.
new beautiful day. The sun will rise and the old things will fade away. You don't need to change a thing, you see, honey. You are perfect as you are. You're beautiful. Yes, you are. Hope you're taking care of yourself today. Hope that you are loving yourself today. Oh yeah. That was so nice! It was really nice!
We're in, we're off. And it looks as if we're going to meet the others who set off earlier at the first pub we get to down this river stretch. Yeah, we've been attacked by pirates.
Lou, come here. You can't get in the water.
Jeez, these are rubbish. Honestly, Jenny and Nick have just come powerhousing through the whole lot without a care for anyone's safety in the world. And there's another one who don't give a shit.
You're gonna have to paddle harder.
Yeah. I don't think she's realised that you are on the back. I'm not paddling either. There's the motor at the front, the powerhouse Jess. So the boats are all parked. Time for a beer. That is some speed you got there. Fueled by lager and crisps.
Absolutely.
Ellie!
What? Right, we're meant to be going that way. What you got? What are you selling? Hold up, Jess. Jess, hold up. There's a transaction going on here. Oh, yeah, boy. Cheers.
He's having a race.
Thank you.
Oh, he's having a race.
Yeah, I'm just having a ball.
All right, now catch up with everyone else. It's apple cider. Hi, Blue. Like, everyone loves a swan pedalo, doesn't they?
Yeah, it's
Whether
like-
it's hitch
it's
or you
like
actually think it's the
royal.
bollocks. Everyone loves a swan pedalo.
My granddad used to go really dark. Yeah, my granddad was
But I think you're missing the fact, I'll shut up, you're missing the fact we've already walked about 3 miles. And I've been carrying Darren behind who's not got as many muscles as you. I've been doing most of the work.
You're doing a great job, boys. And there's Jessica and the dog.
we've reached that moment, the morning after the night before, now being the final day and time to put that boat away.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give it a go. Now, a semi-pro tip from one of the other campers is to take the bottom section out first and dry it properly, because I hadn't realised. I thought it was touch dry, that's good. He said, no, if you actually lift the bottom up, you'll see the pools of water underneath. So yeah, we've done that. We need to take the bottom middle portion out first and dry it a bit more before this is going away. I get ya. Yeah. I'd never thought of that. Yes, I see what you mean. So all that would have got packed away, wouldn't it?
Yep.
You know what happened? Nick convinced me we had the same drone. And because ours is broken, he says, oh, do you want to borrow ours? We'll fly our one. So when it was flying above me, and I thought, oh, I'll just grab it out of the sky and land it for him. I'm going to grab what I think is my size drone. His is that bit smaller. So my fingers went right up and then got bladed off.
So he's got a Peppa Pig plaster on him now.
Come here.
Right, so this is a field. This is a field-based hospital erected purely for care and.
Right, let me see where it is. Where
Right, so that's the
right.
that and that. But I think that's the one that's.
Oh no, I'm getting annoyed.
Oh wow! Look at that!
Oh my goodness.
Wow!
How many fingers did you cut?
Two.
All of them now.
But that one's not so bad. This was the one that had the flap.
Oh my god.
Wow!
Oh, little pinky.
Hang on, Jess, you're a nurse. Why aren't you doing this?
Because I'm off duty.
That is it. It's done.
That was such a wicked
That was
weekend.
wicked.
Jungle is massive.
So much fun. Yeah.
Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, ding the bell,
Notifications.
and follow on Instagram.
Yes, and also you can buy us a coffee if you
Oh,
like.
yeah, we'll leave the link down in the what's it.
Yeah, we do appreciate it. And I want to say thank you to all the beautiful people that bought us a coffee
Yes, we'll
last
run
week.
your little details across the bottom. Thank you,
Yeah,
Emma.
we're very grateful.
We'll send you stickers as well.
Yeah, so if you buy us coffee, we'll send you a sticker.
There's a deal.
And remember, guys, just do what makes your heart happy. Bye.
Say goodbye.
Bye-bye.